I just had to make a statement. So everybody's on my ass for buying a lot of junk Harley parts and never doing anything with it. Well, there you go. We had this aftermarket part made wrong. What's wrong with it? I don't know. So I have a junk piece of crap case I bought, knucklehead. Obviously it's no value. I got a panhead case over here that's all broken and blown up and missing the whole bottom of the damn thing. And go, oh, that's a piece of crap. Why would you ever buy that? Well, these things are called tools. We got old distributors. What do you need them for? You know, circuit breakers. I can see having those around, but you know, it allows you to find out what fits and doesn't work. You know, if you have a piece of junk laying around and you put a piece of junk in the hole, and the stuff works like this. You know, this is why you buy junk parts you don't need. You make tools out of them. Reference things you do machining off of. You can measure to figure out what was wrong with this case. It turns out this one's 20 thou off. Seems to be the what I determined. But you know, it works over here. See, it spins nice and free. You know, you go over here to the Harley aftermarket junk, German junk too. That's the German case. That's expensive parts. And see, it doesn't even go down. See, it locks up. Doesn't work. It's too close. It's jammed in there. You know, what good is it? You know, it's got two different distributors. Same problem. Here's one it came out of. They turned the damn thing down to make it work. You know, here's how you do it if you don't know what the hell you're doing. Look, see, that's what you do. And you wonder why things don't work. You know, there's one more reason why the motor didn't load. Garbage. So there you go. So these are the big dollar. There you go. There's your name. I'm not lying. Who made these? You know, but you know, when they make stuff wrong, they make it wrong. Doesn't matter how much you pay for it, how good it looks. When it don't work, it don't work. So you buy eBay crap, junk parts that I actually like, because I like parts. And there you go. You use the stuff. You know, these dumbass punk kids that don't know what the hell they're doing think they know how to run the world, and they don't. So you build race bikes out of junk parts. You make tools out of junk parts. I'll make a motor out of junk parts. I'll weld all this crap up and make a motor out of it. I know how to weld, you know. So there you go. You know, you buy junk, you figure out what you want to do with it. You know, I got a bunch of junk heads and cylinders down there. If I need to check something, I'll pull them out and check stuff with. You know, that's why you have this junk. You want to know the different years that they did every year? Well, you know, if you got one of every one they made, you can tell exactly what they did every year. Now, for restoration work, that matters. For someone just putting a chopper together, it probably doesn't mean that much matter to them. But if you have a sample of everything you got, it works. You know, I don't care if you don't like what I stock and have parts. I like what I like. So, but anyway, there you go. There's the reason why I buy junk, crappy Harley or parts off of eBay, because I use them. I didn't need this thing until I needed it. When I needed it, I needed it. So, boom, I had it. So now I check stuff. Now I know it's wrong. Now I know how I got to fix that case to make it work. I got to move that hole over 20 thou. But I didn't know that until I had the parts to check with. So there you go. Buy more eBay crap. You never know when you're going to need it. There you go.